Hey, it's Carbs and Andium. I just wanted to share a fun DIY project that we have kind of whipped together over here in the office. So if you take a look over on the wall behind me, we have this light switch that we literally painted on the wall. So we were using Bare Conductive's electric paint, which is basically just a conductive paint. You can draw it on the wall as if it were a wire. So the idea we had was, given the Philips Hue light bulbs that we have in this room, we wrote a library for the Wi-Fi enabled Arduino that we have down here. And then we tied that to a capacitive touch sensor that we snagged off of Adafruit's website. And what we did was we painted individual lines on the wall so you can actually do this dragging motion where you adjust the lights, and we send a message over through the Philips Hue API that we wrote for Arduino to the lights, and you can actually dim by dragging down like that. Or tap around. So yeah, thanks for checking this out. If you want to see how you can do this for yourself, check out our DIY section on our website. All right, see you soon.